In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Uganda with Sendwave. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to enter, and what to check before you hit confirm so your money arrives quickly and safely. Start by opening your Sendwave app. If you're not already logged in, sign in with your account so you land on the main dashboard. From here, you can begin a transfer by heading to your sending area. This is where you'll choose who you're sending to and how they'll receive the funds. Tap to select a recipient. If this is your first time sending to someone, you'll add a new recipient. Make sure you set the recipient's country to Uganda using the country selector. Picking the right country ensures the correct mobile money networks and country code are applied, which helps prevent delivery issues. Next, select the payment method for your recipient. In Uganda, mobile money is very common, so you'll often see options like mobile wallet or bank deposit. Choose what your recipient prefers. If you're using mobile money, confirm that their wallet is active with their provider before continuing. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their account, then type in their mobile number. Retype the number to confirm it matches. This is your chance to catch any typos. Even a single incorrect digit can delay delivery, so take a moment to double check. Save the recipient to store their details for future transfers. Then proceed by tapping Continue to send. Now choose how you want to pay for the transfer on your side. Depending on your region, you might see options like debit card or a supported wallet. Add or select your preferred method and keep your payment details secure by only entering them directly in the app. Enter the amount you want to send. You'll see the current exchange rate, any fees, and the exact amount your recipient will get in Ugandan shillings. If you have a limit on your account or a promotional rate, it will typically appear here. When everything looks right, tap Continue to send to review the summary. Finally, confirm the transfer. The app may run a quick security check before processing. Once confirmed, you'll get a success screen and a reference for your records. Your recipient should receive the funds shortly, and you can track the status in your recent activity. If you need to share a receipt, you can do that from the confirmation page. That's it. Open the app, log in, set Uganda as the country, add and save your recipient, choose how they'll receive money, select how you'll pay, enter the amount, and confirm. Remember to verify names and numbers carefully, and you'll be sending money to Uganda with confidence.